Welcome back. Let's talk about the Delhi tragedy of the three IAS aspirants and the rapid developments that has now gripped the nation as far as the Delhi High Court that came down heavily when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party Sarkar, the MCD and also the Delhi police. When it comes to the freebie culture, this has been mentioned by the High Court, attributing it to the lack of funds for upgrading infrastructure, which may have led to the tragic deaths of the three IAS aspirants. When the observations were made by the High Court in the wake of the freebie model, the entire infrastructure in the national capital that has to be relooked into, wrapping the Kejriwal Sarkar, the High Court said that it is not surprising that the national capital is moving from one crisis to another. Questioning the management and the mismanagement, rather, the High Court said that if Delhi is faced with drought one day and another day it seems to be flooding. And in fact, the crucial observation that has also been made on the freebie model that needs to be relooked into. And as far as when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party government that has been facing heat not just from the court but also from the biggest ally, which is the Congress, as the coaching center deaths have also put the Kejriwal Sarkar in a bit of a spot, with the controversy that seems to be exposed from the fragile ties between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress Party once again in Delhi. Udit Raj of the Congress Party has been saying that the Aam Aadmi Party promised Switzerland. Has Delhi turned into Switzerland? Is the question now being raised by him.
Switzers are not listening also to the people, to the people's representative. That is one aspect. And second, that of course, all claim made by Aam Aadmi Party that it would be a Switzerland like Delhi, and of course that this will be the city of the lakes, 300 lakes will be there. What happened about that? So the failure is on the part of both, and of course giving this matter to CBI, nothing will come out. It's obvious who is at fault.
Let's in the meantime also play out what the Delhi High Court has been saying when it comes to transferring the investigation to the CBI. As the court said that it is transferring the case so that public does not doubt the investigation. The court also highlighting the gravity of the incidents and the potential involvement of corruption when it comes to public servants. Let's take this forward with Akansha, who's with us right now, because Akansha, strong observations that have been made by the court, and of course when it comes to the transfer of the investigation that has now been done over to the CBI.
Well, absolutely. The Delhi freebie model is under the scanner of the High Court. Yesterday, flagging the freebie culture, Delhi High Court said that city's infra had failed to keep pace with the requirement of the citizen. The bench of acting Chief Justice Manmohan and Justice Tushar Rao went on to say that civic authorities are bankrupt. You don't have money to pay salaries. How are you going to improve the infra? You don't have. You want to have freebie culture, but you don't want to collect the taxes. You're not collecting any money, so you're not spending any money. This is what the High Court said yesterday while flagging the freebie culture. Not just this, Delhi High Court made a lot of other observations while transferring the case from Delhi Police to the Central Bureau of Investigation, saying that this case is related to negligence related to the officials, and that is why it is important that this case be probed by the Central Bureau of Investigation and be supervised by a vigilance officer. And clearly the Delhi High Court was not happy with the probe, because remember, in the last 7 days, 7 accused people have been arrested in this case. One of them was the SUV driver who just drove past that street. So yesterday the Delhi High Court said that mercifully you did not arrest the water which went inside the basement. So these were the sort of observations that were made by the Delhi High Court, pulling up the Delhi Police and also the MCD. And as far as the freebie culture is concerned, also the state government going on to say that they want to have a freebie culture.
Well, politically as well, the BJP has been taking on the Aap Sarkar, but when it comes to the Congress Party too, that has been questioning when it comes to has Delhi actually turned into Switzerland is the question that is now being raised by the Congress Party and its netas. Thank you very much for the moment, Akansha, for joining in. You're watching Times Now. Back after a short break.